Export Plant tool allows you to export piping components, steel members, and other entities to REVIT. You can export current drawing or a batch of several drawings. The batch can export each drawing to a separate export file or all into one combined file. To export the current drawing, first specify the full name and path of the file that will have exported data. This file will be used later to import this data into REVIT. By default, all entities in the drawing are to be exported, but you have the option to only export certain entities. Check the ones that you wish to export in the Component Filter tab. Also, by default, all entities are exported with their original geometry. You have the option to instruct the program to generate mesh surfaces for certain types of entities. This is useful for very complex shapes. This tool allows you to specify which properties of components to export alongside the geometry. The properties you checked will show up in REVIT. There are 3 options for export. You can simply export all entities in the drawing, select certain entities on the screen, or export only entities that are visible. The component filter is applied for all 3 options. The export units are displayed. Check this option if you want to also include XREFs. Check here if you want to include AutoCAD primitive entities such as lines and arcs. The Move to Origin transforms the model to the origin in the export file. Export as Mesh Surface generates all model data with mesh surfaces. Show Color includes original entities' colors. Now you are ready to start the export process. Click the Export button. Now the model has been exported to this file. In REVIT, as will be shown later, you can import this file and generate the same model entities in REVIT. The batch export is similar to the current drawing export, except it allows you to export several drawings to either equivalent export files or all into one combined export file. Navigate to where the drawing files to export are located. Folders, subfolders, and the drawing files are listed here. Check the drawing files you wish to export. If you want to export each drawing file to a corresponding export file, navigate where all these export files are to be located. But if you wish to export them into one combined file, specify the name and path of this export file. Check this option to enable or disable export to a one combined file. Now you are ready to start the export process. This tool exports the drawing files without physically opening them. Thanks for watching.